If you are new to photography, you might think dodging and burning is actually a complicated process. Well, today I'm going to be showing you a simple way to dodge and burn your photos using Photoshop. And I'm going to start right now. So dodging and burning is the process of brightening some areas of your photo and darkening others. Dodging means brightening your photo and burning means darkening. Now, you could spend hours doing this, and must say I do as well, especially with portrait photography, but there is a quick process which I'm going to be showing you today, and a big bonus is it is non-destructive. So we've got this photo here, which is going to be a great representation. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create two adjustment layers. So we're going to go to the bottom right-hand corner, and we're going to go ahead and select curves. Now, the first curves adjustment layer is going to be our brightening area, or our dodging. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just call this light. Lovely. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to our curves adjustment layer and bring that up like so. So this is going to be our brightened area. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do the same process again, but we're going to apply our darkening effect. So we're going to go down to our bottom adjustment layers again, guys. Go ahead and select curves. We're going to go ahead and call this one dark. So we're going to go ahead and bring it down like so. Okay, so now what we're going to do is use the applied image technique. So we're going to go make sure you've got your layer mask selected on that adjustment layer. We're going to go ahead up to image, and we're going to drop down to applied image. Now in this, you want to make sure your layer is merged. You've chosen the channel RGB, and you've chosen the blending mode multiply without inverting the layer. Then we're going to go ahead and click OK. Then what we're going to do is exactly the same with the lightened. So we're going to go up to image. We're going to go down to applied image, and then we're going to go ahead and click OK. But as you can see, it hasn't totally worked. So there's just one more button to press. We're going to go to that darkened layer image here, and we're going to go ahead and press Command I. And what that will do is it will invert selection, so it will just affect the darker areas of your photo. So this one is affecting the brighter areas, and this one is affecting the darker areas. So what I can do is show you the before and overall the after. And as you can see, we have dodged and burned this photo really quickly and really easily using the applied image technique found within Photoshop. Here is the before, and here is the after. And write it down in the comments below if this particular effect worked for you.